And that's Joe,
It rained afterwards.
Shim, and Mr. T getting ready. Skate park. And that's the hill, my friend. Not friendly. Second hill or climb. This is Gabrielita's corner. Well, that way you go to 6 kids, and over there it's gonna be car crash and holding the fence, and we're going a little further up. Expert line, and the pussy lines goes around that way.
That's the one who didn't make it. Poor bastards.
Hope! Yes. How is it so far?
Little fucking bushes. Awesome. Yeah, it's a little sketchy right there.
Yeah. Good, it's good.
That's close. It's not bad.
Alright, morning. Okay, we cleared the path for them.
Fucking climb.
End of the trail. Connect with the service road at the power lines.
See how it could be floated if you...
Climbing day, I know. But it is what it is. If you want to go down, you need to climb up. Okay, car crash right there, and we're going all the way down there. And that's car crash. Look at the people. Look at all the guys, like 10 guys coming down.
Oh.
Wow, nice.
That's good. Not doing that one. That's good size. You know, that's me.
That's you.
You know, before we hit that jump, let's check it out.
No, you follow me.
Huh?
You follow me.
Oh, you're gonna do? Okay.
Yes.
I just want to see how far I can jump out of there.
Depends on the speed.
Yeah, but depends. This angle looks pretty steep, though. Yeah. It might be not so bad over there, but it looks pretty steep here.
Wow, that berm is really cool. Okay, last leg to get up, and Kevin is already there. Man. Okay, so that is how much speed you need. Nice. Sweet. You got it off the way for this guy. Nice. Keep to your left.
Right in the middle. Yeah, right there. Right there. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it right there. Ah, to the left. Yeah, this guy's
I'm actually proud
That's
of
the line.
my little track stand right there. That was my I like that.
You missed all the fun stuff.
You bypassed the fun.
Nice.
I
Woo!
was looking at my camera. Nice. Yeah. Oh, thanks. What? That was not a jump. Oh,
Yeah. Woo!
you gotta clear it. So much smoother.
Wow, nice.
Yeah! Oh no, more speed. The second one. Don't let the bike do it. You gotta pop up. Pull up. Pull up. No, not clear.
Hey. Sweet.
There you go. That's how you clear it. Oh.
Oh, no, shit.
Hold on, you guys hold. You gotta go faster, Joe. Faster. Oh. I didn't expect how far it was.
Big group. Look at this jump right there.
At your camera.
On this side, all the way here. Not me. No bridge for you.
Just don't look. It takes just one person to walk and the other one's gotta follow. Yeah, just don't look, just ride through it.
Yeah.
I can do that for you.
You know what I mean? That looks like meadows. That's a fun one. But you gotta climb up this shit again though. Yep.
Yes. Everything here you need to climb again. What are you talking about? We're in San Clemente.
Jump this one.
Keep your speed. Keep your speed.
Go fast. Jump it.
Keep speed.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh,
Keep
yeah.
speed.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Way too high.
Good stuff, huh?
Which trail is this?
I don't know. It is exactly like meadows. A little bit wet, but you just make it smooth and avoid this for future runs. Very cool, kid. Awesome.
Oh shit.
Very good. Nice. Very cool. We are back in one piece and parking lot is full as always. So great news. Good ride. Oh, look at this one. 70 series diesel. Really listo para comer arroz con caraota y bistec.